Wonderful. Thank you, Nim. That was perfect. And we do hope to see your applications. Do reach out with any questions. We hope to, again, we hope to have this be a yearly offering from the Green Chemistry Commitment program, and we thank those industry sponsors for that. We also have to thank our industry sponsors for us being here today in the Green Chemistry Connections, and also invite you to engage with us in being a part of the Connections. So the Connections is truly for the community, built by the community, and now truly shifted over to the community, if you will. So I'm going to announce some new news and also some interesting and exciting opportunities for you to engage with the Connections in a little bit of a different way now that we have the Green Chemistry teaching community, and also because we have funding behind our Green Chemistry Connections here from our sponsor, Millipore Sigma. And so Green Chemistry Commitment, Green Chemistry Connections Speaking Opportunities is always a short amount of time. We try to give also, you've seen today, hopefully if this is your first time here, or if you haven't gotten a chance to be in these communities before, what we do is short presentations followed by time to really break out into sessions to have deeper conversations. And then we'll now have the opportunity to connect offline through the Green Chemistry teaching and learning community. And when I say we, what I mean is that I'm excited to let you know that this year we have Green Chemistry Connections co-organizers and co-hosts. So what that means is that at the Connections, although the higher ed team will be here and will be supporting, we're very excited to shift this over to the community to take control of. It was always Connections was meant to be for the community by the community, and we were just meant to facilitate. And now we've truly got into this and being able to support 3 graduate students from the University of McGill, and I'm going to let them introduce themselves. So these are just to say that we have 3 graduate students from the University of McGill, and also 2 amazing educators joining us from across the globe. And so we have representation here within our co-organizing and co-host committee from Canada to Brazil and also to Nigeria, and then the Beyond Benign team here in the USA. And we again are so inviting and welcoming of anyone to join us and being speakers. And so on that, I'm going to ask my Green Chemistry Connection co-organizers and co-hosts to introduce themselves, as we've got some slides to introduce them, and talk about their background and just to welcome them to the community. So I am thrilled and honored to start off and introduce you to Jasmine. I'm going to pass it over to you, Jasmine.
So hi, my name is Jasmine Hong. I'm a PhD, as Natalie just introduced, I'm a PhD student at McGill University studying chemistry with Audrey Moores and Subasis Ghoshal. And I'm really excited to kind of help out with the Connections because I wanted to kind of find an opportunity to reach out with the community and kind of expand my network, but also kind of see what's out there. And I think that's why a lot of people come to these. And so I think it'll be really exciting to kind of work on that. Kind of on me for my research, I don't really want to talk about that, but I put my research interests here. So like mechanochemistry, plastics, environmental impacts. But I'm also really interested in outreach. I'm an avid participant in my local outreach group. And also, if any of you are looking into like how a student group can foster like push for the signing the commitment, at McGill, we recently started a student group, which I think was kind of part of our push towards signing here. So if anyone wants to talk about student groups and stuff like that, you can reach out to me, or also Gagan, who I think is next.
Wonderful. Thank you, Jasmine.
Thank you.
I think you're also being modest, and you are the co-founder of this student group, and we are very thankful to also have you as a graduate student liaison. So thank you, Jasmine. And next we have Sarah. So Sarah, I'm going to pass it over to you.
So hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. I'm also a PhD student at McGill University. I'm supervised by Professor Audrey Moores. Yeah, my research interests are also listed there, but it's not really the focus here. I'm just really excited to be a part of this and to help organize, and yeah.
Thank you, Sarah. And I know, Sarah, I know you are a graduate student that learned about green chemistry and then took action. And so thank you for, again, being here with us and taking action and bringing this conversation to many people. So we're excited to have you. And next, I'm going to turn it over to you, Gagan. Stop there.
Hello, so my name is Gagan Daliaho. I'm also a PhD student at McGill University. I'm supervised by Matthew Harrington here. Margaret basically focuses on bio-inspired materials. So these are just some of my research focus also listed there. Similar to Jasmine, I'm also involved in the outreach group here and helped with the founding of this group as well. So I'm just really excited to have these connections and get involved with the community. Also, I think as a student who works on bio-inspired materials, I think I just recently realized how we are also green chemistry, and the green chemistry is not just catalysis and that as well. So I think I'm really excited to expand and hopefully get some connections in that area as well.
Wonderful. Thank you. If you're a graduate student or you know graduate students, these are the ladies to direct them to. They are wonderful in terms of student group outreach. Thank you for offering to be contact points. Next, I'm going to introduce someone who's a leader in the community, has been for some time. I'm handing it over to you, Cynthia. Thank you for being here.
Hi, everybody. I'm Cintia. I'm from Brazil. And it's a privilege to be part of this community where we can share our experience on green chemistry, the challenges on the daily basis, and to support each other. What I can say, I'm a cat lover. I'm a mother of 6 cats. And professionally, I started off as an organic chemist. Actually, my undergrad is on pharmacy. And I've been working on biotransformation of natural products, biodegradation of pesticides and polymers, and synthesis of organic molecules using enzymes, because I believe enzymes are powerful and greener catalysts. So I'm always engaged with green chemistry in the education part and also outreach activities. And I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed this season, and it's a really pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much, Cynthia. And next, we are moving so fast and so new to the community that this is one of our newer signers from the Green Chemistry Commitment community, joining us from Solarin University of Education. I'm not even sure I've seen you on the line, or I can't see you on the line. So if you could unmute and introduce yourself, welcome, thank you, honored to have you.
Thank you so much. I'm here, and I believe you can hear me.
We hear you.
Thank you. I am Oyesolape from Nigeria, and I'm so excited being a part of this beautiful community. And basically, I'm a faculty member of the Chemical Sciences Department of the Solarin University of Education. So I teach chemistry, organic chemistry, applied chemistry, and other aspects like that. And during my PhD, I was able to develop a nano formulation that can transdermally treat diabetes. And moving on, I've been working on green synthesis of metal nanoparticles, considering their biomedical applications. So I'm actually so excited that my interest in green chemistry is going to be brought into reality joining this community. And I can't wait for the beautiful things we can get from here. Then for my students, we are also coming up, bringing them together to kickstart something beautiful within my university. I'm happy to be here, and I thank everyone. Thank you.